So we are currently in London, in Bentley Systems office, where Kaunas University of Technology organizes Urban Digital Twin Spring School. It's a one-week course, mostly for PhD students and early-stage researchers. During this week, we're having hands-on sessions on how to develop digital twin models, so basically digital replicas of physical assets. And this event is organized together with Bentley Education, with the University of Glasgow, University College London, and Dublin City University.
When we use a digital twin in the urban environment, we can test out different use cases in a digital world before we then go to implement them in the real world. And that's super important. Within one of the presentations that I led, we discussed digital twins and compared them to the Stranger Things, where you've got the upside down and the real world. And that was a funny analogy for people to initially grasp what is a digital twin.
So in our case, we have developed a complete digital twin platform where we can display our structure.
The goal for these 5 days was to create a digital twin of the port. We can make this nice 3D digital twin dashboard for the port operators and the energy providers, which supply the energy to the port.
Our project is cesium visualization, looking at emergency services continuity during flooding events.
And we also get some insights on what is the challenges right now in the industry and what we should do, like to improve a digital twin model.
To now, creating these 3D visualizations with dynamic moving stuff, like vehicles moving. Robert has ships moving. Being able to do all of this in 2 full days of work is quite impressive. How easy it is to use, how user-friendly it is, and
when you're working with real-time data, and because you can also just automatically build dashboards on Grafana, integrating them to cesium is quite straightforward.
Yeah, I can really add. I used digital twins before. I worked more from a conceptual perspective. Now want to really bring them to life using all the tools. It was quite an experience for me, and I'm very sure I will keep using cesium in the future.
I'm working on digital twins, but from a non-technical aspect, so it was very interesting to see the possibilities of what we can do now with advanced software such as Bentley and all of the ideas that we had during the session. So it was very good to see how we can, at least model a building and then add some other functionalities to which stakeholders are going to need in the future, actually need now. So it was very interesting to be involved during the different activities of this spring school.
Because being civil engineer, we are not fluent with the programming side. This is the weakest part. Vibe coding is just make the life easy.
In this group, we are not in in IT, so vibe coding is lifesaver.
The best thing was to meet the people from your field and to have an interaction. Maybe that interaction can lead to the future collaboration, which will be a great add-in being a researcher from the different organizations.
You can find a lot of people that are working in the same field that you. Maybe there's some minor differences between our research, but it's great to find a group of people that's thinking about structural health monitoring, the thing that we are working on. So I think that's the most important thing, maybe the networking that you can do here, because you find people with a lot of ideas, with very good skills, and we're all together here, so that's great.
It is a good opportunity for networking. You meet different people with different backgrounds, maybe something that you think what digital twin is, someone else with different backgrounds, they have a little bit different view. So it's very useful because usually we work, in our office with our colleague in our bubble, and here you can meet something different.
I think this workshop is very creative, it's very human, very nice people, very welcome, and very well installation and support, so very positive, absolutely.
It's a multidisciplinary area for everyone, so you get to work with different backgrounds that will help you to develop your weaknesses or enhance your knowledge about the topic. So I would recommend it for sure.
I'd recommend that PhD students attend the spring school. Obviously you get to skill up a bit, work on something applied. They feed you. Lunch is really good. Recommend it.